Hello everyone. In this small video today we will learn about quartiles. In today's class we will learn about the quartiles of grouped data. If you all could remember, in the previous class we learned about median. We learned median as a central value or a value which lies in the middle of all the data. So here we will learn median as a value which will divide the whole data into two equal parts. And we have already learned the formula to find out the median. In this case, the median is denoted by Q2, also known as the middle quartile or the second quartile. Now, why is it called middle quartile or the second quartile? Is because it divides the entire data into two equal parts. We have already learned the formula to find the median, and I'm repeating the formula. The formula is n plus 1 by 2th observation if n is odd, and n by 2th observation plus n plus 2 by 2th observation divided by 2 if n is even. Now, since the median divides the whole data into two equal parts, the lower part can again be further divided into two equal parts by a value known as the lower quartile, which is denoted by Q1. What is the formula to find the lower quartile? The formula to find the lower quartile is n plus 1 by 4th observation if n is odd, or n by 4th observation if n is even. So this lower quartile will divide the first half of the data into two equal parts. Now similarly, the upper quartile denoted by Q3 will divide the upper half of the data, or the second half of the data, again into two equal parts. And what is the formula? Formula is thrice n plus 1 by 4th observation if n is odd, or 3n by 4th observation if n is even. So here we can make a small understanding here like this, that suppose if this is the whole data, say suppose the data ranges from 0 to 100, then the median would be 50, which will divide the whole data into two equal parts, the lower part and the upper part. The lower part can be further divided into two equal parts if I write 25 here. So 25 lies in the middle between 0 to 50. Similarly, if I write 75 here, then 75 lies in between 50 and 100. So this 25 in this case is called the lower quartile denoted by Q1. 50 is called the second quartile or the median, and 75 is called the upper quartile or Q3.